Kakadosh, Boker Or, Bekiim Halacha 5, day 60, Siman Lamed Vav, 36, page 155, Halacha Kaf Aleph, 21. We are now talking about separating connected tagim. So remember, the tagim are the little things, the points, the little lines on top of the letters. So we said that on the Shatnez Gat, it's going to be three, right? Three little tiny poles, like little tiny, like lines. If it's going to be Bedech Chaya, it's only going to be one, and Melechet Sofer is nothing. Those are the letters, right? Bedech Chaya, Bet Dalet Kuf, Chet Yod Hey, one dot, one line with a little dot. If it's So now it says like this: the act of separating two tagim that are connected does not violate the halacha of chok, right? He says avichak tochot, since the tagim are not integral in the shape of the letter itself. It does not violate the halacha of shelo kesidran either. So even if the tagim are connected in that they appear to be one thick line, right? He still says it is permissible to scrape away at the ink until the two tagim are visible. Likewise, if a drop of ink spills and covers the tagim, it may be scraped away to reveal the tagim. Okay, fine. So basically, you scrape it away, and now you see the tagim, or you could do it, but there's no problem with chok to chok or all the other things. Basically, the tagim are not the letter. The letter is a letter. So the tagim was just extra, right? We said, but the avad, even if there's no tagim, it's okay. Obviously, lechatchila you have to add it, but fine. Halacha 22, a rapidograph pen may be used to draw tagim on the letters. It is best if the pen is filled with kosher scribal ink, but any genuinely black ink may be used. See above Siman 32:13, the footnote there. Wearing gloves. The scribe must not wear gloves while writing tagim on sacred scrolls, as explained, but he has to write it itself. So it can't be that there's any chatzitza, any pasek, right? There can be a hefsek there. Fine. 24. Adding tagim to a completed scroll. If the scribe chooses to, he may write the entire thing without the tagim and add them later. And again, there's no problem with shalok sidran. Shalok sidran means that it has to be in order. When it says that it has to be in order, it's only the writing has to be in the order. The tagim, the extra, that could be done whenever. That could be done later. So it's not considered part of the letter's basic shape. Okay? Fine. Now we're going to start the preface of Tefilin of Rabbeinu Tam. So this is going to be a very important preface. You know what a preface is? Like an introduction, yeah? Tefilin of Rashi, page 157. Tefilin of Rashi refers to the regular type of tefillin that everyone wears every day. They are constructed following Rashi's opinion that the four passages written on the scrolls must be positioned in order that they appear in the Torah. So according to Shtat Rashi, you're going in the Torah in order. Kadeshlichol bechor vayachi v'yecha shema v'aya. Rabbeinu Tam, however, ruled that the correct order is Kadesh vayachi v'yecha, vayayim shamoa, and shema. So it's, you flip. So he says the Talmudic term for this opinion is havayot be'emtza, meaning vehaya vehaya, havayot in the middle. So you do, right? You do kadesh lichol bechor, vaya ki veyacha, vaya im shamua, vaya vaya in the middles, and then shema at the end. Meaning, according to Rashi, it's very simple. You go chronological order of the Torah. What parasha? Okay, here 1, 2, 3, 4. According to this, you're going that the vehaya vehayas are in the middle. That's the way it goes. So he's privately they used to wear Rabbeinu Tam. Yeah, privately. Yeah. So he says, although Rabbeinu Tam differed from Rashi about the passages' positions in the Tefillin, he agreed with the Rashi that all four passages must be written in the order that they appear in the Torah. That is, that the scribe must write the passage of Shema before Vayayim Shamoah. So that means even according to Rabbeinu Tam, it has to be written in the order of the Torah. It's just how do you put it in the boxes? So therefore, since Tefillin Shel Yad contains a single scroll, right, upon which all four passages are written, the scribe needs to write the first two passages, leave a blank space wide enough for the passage of Vayayim Shamoah, then write the passage of Shema at the end of the scroll. Afterwards, he has to go back to write the passage of Vayayim Shamoah and the space provided for it. And this was going to be explained above in Siman 32:4, right, with illustration number 2a. And Tefillin Shel Rosh, the two opinions can be discerned from the outside. He says in Tefillin of Rashi, hair protrudes from the titura near the front left corner of the bite. Tefillin Rabbeinu Tam, it's in the center. I showed these pictures with you. You have my Tefillin of Rabbeinu Tam, the little hairs, they go in the center, right? The one of Rashi, it's on the right. Okay? He says over here, the left corner, he says here. Another difference, right, between Tefillin of Rashi and Rabbeinu Tam is the spaces provided at the end of the beginning of each passage. Since the passage of Vayayim Shemo must be situma, closed, the passage of Vayakiviacha must end without leaving a space at the end of the final line, according to Rabbeinu Tam. Well, according to Rashi, such a space, right, must be left at the end of the final line. This applies to both the scrolls of Tefilin Shalosh and Tefilin Shel Yad, as we explained above.